Vertical strikes deal for ride-sharing in Southeast Asia. Vertical Aerospace has signed a non-binding MOU with AirAsia Aviation Group to create an aerial ride-sharing platform in Southeast Asia. The deal will establish a lease of at least 100 of Vertical's VX4 eVTOL aircraft to begin services under AirAsia. Vertical notes that the deal brings pre-orders for their aircraft past 1,350 in total, while establishing a foothold in the coveted Asian market. Their presence in the third most populous region of the world is a good start, further bolstered by another announcement from large Vertical customer Avolon, a large worldwide aircraft lessor holding 500 VX4 pre-orders. 450 of those aircraft have been earmarked for service around the world, with AirAsia, Japan's JAL, and Brazil's GOL. Direct sales from Vertical have been made to American Airlines, Virgin Atlantic, Iberojet, Bristow Group, and Marubeni, among others. The total order book in Vertical's hands total up to $5.4 billion at list price. The VX4 follows a similar recipe as many other electronic VTOL aircraft: multiple rotors with forward-facing tilt capability, an aerodynamic tapered fuselage, and 4 passenger seating. Offering zero emissions, a 100-plus mile range, and a 202 miles per hour top speed, all reportedly with a fraction of the noise experienced from turbine or piston VTOL aircraft.